What's up and welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about how you can go and find out the trending topic for your YouTube channel, for your news channel, if you're making a website, if you have a blog. All of the trending topic is going to give you some views at same point of time. There are some people who want views whenever they start uploading. They want views, they don't wait for it. So for that you're going to go and use the help of Google Trends, and just clicking on that Google Trends, click on that. After you open up Google Trends, I'm from India, so I will go and search from India country. Okay, it's from ABCD, so it will be I for India. Alright, so from India you see people are searching for World Cup. Okay, so there's a World Cup going on. So after that training search, you will find out all of the trending search is on today, which is daily. So if you are interested to read all of that, I don't recommend you to go and make videos on this. Click on real-time search trends, and there you go. You can find out that past 24 hours which topic is actually rising. Kerala board high school secondary. So if you are like a trending topics which is going to be from Kerala, Indian populated, and you can see the graph, it goes up. So Kerala is a good topic, just go and read about that. You can see the graph how fast it is going up, and you can make the topic of that related queries. So you can go and read all of that one, and accordingly you can make your post or whatever news you are going to go and make. Air pollution, okay, it's up and down, so no need to go and make video which is going to be going up and down. No need to go and find out the topic. Go and search for this kind of a graph which is actually going and rising up. Just go and make a video on that, and that is going to go and give you about that. So I'm making like a science and tech, so I will look for science and tech. There is a category, you can go and find out about that. So for trending science and technology, what I'm going to go and do is Huawei smart speaker, so we can make a video about that. Smartphone Indian rupees, you can see the graph is up, but right now it's down. So go and make search like Indian messaging stickers. So WhatsApp messaging stickers are actually going up, so you can go and find out and make a post on that. So looking forward for that, you can go and see TikTok musically, and it is actually rising up, so you can make some post, blog, or whatever you are trying to make. Just go and find that hot topic, iPhone, Apple. So this is very nice hot topic which is going up down. Okay, it's like gradually growing, not going rising up. So just go and find out about all of the topics you want to search, and there you go, you have a lot of this. Just go and pick out whatever things you find it out. Just go and battleground. Okay, you can go and add me on PUBG as well if you want to play with me. Just go on ZealPlex and you'll find that out as well. PUBG is getting a lot of views. Just go and don't waste it. Just go and make the video right now. Right now you want to need to add that post or news or article, whatever you do. Just go and use it and try to make it as short time as well. Alright, so this is going to be the hot topic, and it will get you, definitely going to get you some views. Just go and make like 10 or 100, and if you don't get the result, do let me know in the comment section. Actually that is not possible, that it is not going to give you some views. Alright, so see you guys in the next one. My name is Nasir and I'm signing out. See you guys next time.